In today's video, we are featuring our printed digital papers, a set from Luise Heinzl and created by our dear friend and fellow design team member, Jeanette Wilde. She created a super fun Halloween Boo Box pop-up card. So welcome to PM Artist Studio. I am Mariah, the M in the PM. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Now let's get started. So right out of the box, Jeanette used a die to make the card, but you don't need it. It is just a rectangle with a tab. The green lines are folds, the red line is a cut. Comment below and we can get you a digital file if you want it. Then basically you need two strips that is the same width as the width of the box, with 1/2 inch tabs on each side. And finally, just some tiny strips will be used for the pop-up elements. You can even use acrylic strips if you don't want them to be seen. Now it is time to mat the different pattern areas. Something to keep in mind is the direction of the pattern. Specifically, if it has one side that is right side up, as the flap on the front will fold down, so you will need to make sure that that side is upside down for it to be seen correctly when looking from the top side. You can see more of that here when Jeanette jumps back over to, so this is the outside of the box. This will be the interior piece that you see. So you see the little spiders. It really wouldn't matter one way or the other necessarily where they ended up, but if you did have a pattern that did, you would want to make sure that those were put in like upside down, or when you're cutting it. This has a shape, so that adds a different degree of a little bit of difficulty to it. But again, just that's the stuff to keep in mind. And so now you can see when you open the box, the little spiders are there and they are kind of positioned properly. Now what you want to do is put your tab strips in on one side while the box is open, then close up the box and adhere the other side. You can also close the box up, then put in the tabs. This will work as well. Please note you can use as many as you would like, but 2 has proven to be sufficient. Originally, the first tab was too close to the front of the card, so it had to be adjusted. This was apparent when the card was closed up. Luckily, the glue hadn't set yet, so it was something that could come back in and adjust. So there's a lot of adjusting that is going to go on. This is just the nature of this type of project, so keep that in mind. Planning out your elements in terms of depth can be very helpful, but really just sticking them in anywhere works too. We also operate this way at PM. I guess Jeanette does as well. Just keep looking from front to make sure that it looks the way that you want it to. Just keeping in mind to adjust, again, as you need to. Simply glue in the elements on the tabs and the back part of the card. Another really great tip is if you don't want to see the strips from the back, you can either put a piece of cardstock on the back of each for a circle punch. Looks as well, but really isn't as necessary. People just look at the front. Another great tip is tweezers. Tweezers are a great tool for this type of project to help you hold each element in place while the glue sets. Then basically it comes down to decorating the box. If you want somewhere to write on the card, it is usually put in the back. White square works perfectly. Finally, it folds up, fits into a normal envelope. Test though to ensure that if the elements are too tall, you don't make them too high. That's really basically it. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you found value or inspiration in this video, comment below. Like this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel. We do these videos each week and would love to see you guys back. Thank you so much.